Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into an amazing tool for job seekers, Jora Jobs. Whether you are a fresh out of college or just looking for a new opportunity, Jora Jobs makes the job search process a breeze. So stick around as we take you through a full tutorial on how to use Jora Jobs effectively. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is Jora Jobs? It's a comprehensive job search engine that aggregates job listings from various sources. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily find the most relevant jobs in your field. Let's jump into how you can make the most out of this platform. You can find here a list of countries that where Jora Jobs are available. Choose yours one from this list. I'm going to choose United States. Now, step 1, let's set up an account. Click on login. Now you can sign up using your email or social media account. This will allow you save searches and set up jobs alert. I'm going to use my Google account. Here we go. We have successfully created our account. You can see from your profile section your details. You can set up your details and show your jobs, saved jobs from here. Next, we will look at how to search for jobs. Enter your desired job title and location in the search bar. You can also browse by category if you are exploring option. I'm going to search for digital marketing jobs. You can also add your city or your targeted city where you want to search for jobs. You can search your jobs by so many category down there. Most of them popular searches, role titles, locations, companies, job types, etc. Click on search jobs button. Here you can see almost 24,000 jobs available in USA. Huge job opportunity. You can find here different companies, different jobs with different criteria. To refine your search, use filters. You can filter job by date posted, salary range, job type and more. This helps in narrowing down to the jobs that best match your criteria. Set up job alert to stay updated. Click on alert section and you can see create new email alert. After performing a search and you will receive notification when new jobs matching your criteria are posted. Here you can add some keyword related to your job, company or others. Add locations and you can set radius from your location. Also you can add some job types like freelancer, apprenticeship or different type of category, full-time, internship, also the remote working. Click on create job alert. Here we go. We have successfully created an alert for our job searches. We can find this alert in our email section. Now you can choose one of them which suited you mostly. Once you find a job that interests you, click on it to see the details. From here you can apply directly through the employer's website or through Jora Jobs if available. Here are some tips to use Jora Jobs effectively. Regularly update your search criteria to discover new opportunities. Utilize the saved searches feature to quickly access frequent job searches. Follow up on your applications to show employers your stimulation. Network through related job searches and online communities to increase your chances. And that's a wrap. JoraJob is a fantastic tool to help you land your next job. Give these tips a try and I'm sure you will find the job search process a lot smoother. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below.